Hi good people, how are you? How are you doing? My good name is Christabel. Welcome to my vlog Doing Life with Chris. If you're new here it's a channel where we learn, we experience life, we create memories as we grow together and navigate life together, because we need each other in order to navigate this life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 let me give you a minute. Please subscribe. And also share and like our content so that our channel can grow. If you have done all those things, manze siwe ni mtrue, si upewe kwa bili yangu na nikasoda. Quick recipe, which is granola, because we need it for our breakfast or for our snacking. And I want to do it very, very, very fast because it's around 4:30, and I want to take advantage of the sun before it goes down, because if you've been here for a minute, you know that we use renewable energy, and that is solar energy, and therefore we rely heavily on solar. It has been a good day for this girl because the sun was shining bright, just the way I like it. So here I have 4 cups of oats, and I'm using this brand. It's called Hilwa oats. You'll see as I'm measuring how it is. And then in here are pumpkin seeds that I bought from a store in town. And then here I have groundnuts, which I have already roasted. I bought raw groundnuts and then I roasted in my kitchen, had them cooled, and then I removed hizo maganda za juu. So I decided to use groundnuts, one because they are cheap to buy. Usually natumianga walnuts, cashew nuts. I've never used macadamia. Maybe I also need to experiment on that. And then I also use almonds, and I am running out of almonds. I actually had taken them out to use them, but this is all I have. I need to replenish. And also these ones, but these ones are a bit cheaper. I bought a kilo at is it 400? Yes, because half a kilo is 200. So these ones are a bit affordable. So here I have pumpkin seeds, I have cashew nuts, and then I also want to add half a cup, because I want to double this recipe. So I'll be doubling everything. Even the oats, I'll add another 4 cups of oats because there are 4 cups in here. So let's do that. And I'm just going to add all that here. And then I also added half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I need to add another half teaspoon because I am doubling the recipe. So if you're making just kidogo, here we go through granola so fast. So I have to double this recipe. Otherwise, I'll just keep going back to the oven to make granola, and sometimes I lack time. I had put a teaspoon of salt, so I'm going to add another teaspoon of salt. And then I think that is all I had put. Of course, I had put pumpkin seeds, about half a cup, so I need to add maybe a 1/3 cup so that there are not too many seeds in there. And then I'm going to mix all up. The other thing I am using today that I have never used before is this desiccated coconut. I am looking forward to tasting the outcome and, you know, see whether I will be using this recipe as opposed to what I'm used to. So I was saying that if you go to the supermarket and look for granola to buy, 500 grams goes for about 800 shillings. Yeah. So you're better off making it at home. I kid you not. So this is all done. It looks like so. And the only thing that I need to do is add a sweetener. I am using honey, 1 cup of honey. I think this should be enough. So coconut oil, 1 cup, because the half recipe calls for half a cup. And imagine we are done. That is how easy it is to make granola. So the only thing I need to do is ensure all the dry ingredients are coated by the wet ingredients. And then we will line our baking sheet with parchment paper. We will place, I'll use 2 because now I've doubled the recipe. We'll use 2 baking sheets. And then we'll set the oven to about 25 minutes, and then halfway through we will pause oven. We will add our desiccated coconut and give the granola a bit of ruffling. We will koroga kidogo so that the other side also browns. Look at that. And then once it is out of the oven after the 25 minutes, we will add some raisins. I am going to go in with about 2/3 of a cup. So I guess I'm going to be using all my raisins. And that's it, guys. Imagine that's it. That's how you make granola. It is that easy. So I am going to see you after 25 minutes when we take the granola out of the oven, and then I'm going to show you the end results. Try this recipe. (180 degrees, 25 minutes. I just want to preheat my oven for about 5 minutes. And then in goes my granola. Mnasikia hiyo kitu ikiguruma? That is our solar inverter that is telling us there is a lot of output, power output. So I need to be done in a very short time. My son here has already removed the gloves for when the granola is done. Are you looking forward to eating the granola?
Yes.
Is that the only reason you're here?
Yeah.
And my daughter is behind the camera, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
I'll see you in about 15 minutes when I come to turn my granola and then add desiccated coconut and then back in the oven for another 10 minutes and then we'll be done. About 20 minutes in, and remember we put our granola in for 25 minutes and we were supposed to turn it halfway. The halfway mark is already gone, but not to worry. They should not go into the oven for more than 35 minutes at most. And that's it, guys. I will see you when we get them out of the oven. This is how they all turned out. Raisins. No need of retaining any. We will order some more. So I'll just mix this in. And be ready to serve. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. See you in the next one, guys. Bye. How is the granola?
Good.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Probably a 9.
A 9. A 9. I'll take a 9. Melissa, how is the granola?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
How good? 1 to 10? 10. I would expect as much after you have used your hands to pick it.